Hi, I'm Brett Harrelson, head of the Experts program here at Glide. If you are a freelancer or an agency that's building apps for clients and you are not in the Experts program, you're leaving money on the table. Let me tell you why this program is perfect for you. Today, there are almost 3,000 experts just like you building software for their clients. Here's what I want to quickly cover about the program. I'll tell you a little bit in general about the program. Then I'll walk you through the benefits of the program. And then I'll show you some of the exclusive ways you can grow. And finally, I'll show you how to join. Here's a quick overview of why we built the Experts program. We've listened to the needs of our experts and built this program for freelancers and agency owners just like you so you can grow with us. And Oscar is one of our experts, and today he can confidently say he can transform businesses using Glide. And this year, his agency, V88, is aiming to become a seven-figure agency this year. Let's talk about some of the program's benefits. Upon joining the program, you get these benefits: revenue sharing, exclusive resources and events, product betas, and some expert-only tools. All experts get 20% revenue sharing for the first year. And this is activated when someone either clicks your link or when you join a client's team. And let's look at a hypothetical revenue sharing model for 1 year, for your first year as an expert. And if you started with 3 clients and add 1 client a month with an average plan mix of $100 a month, that could be over $2,000 for your first year. We also have exclusive resources and events that are available just for experts. And early access to features and betas is really important to keep you in the know. The Experts Hub is your place for all things Glide, PartnerStack, your clients, and even see resources from other experts and maybe share some too. Being certified is important for any expert so you can stand out. Level 1 and Level 2 are out now, and Level 3 is coming soon. But everything we've discussed so far is available for all experts. And as you grow as an agency, so will your benefits. You can become a Glide certified expert by passing level 1 certification and having 3 clients on paid plans. This will unlock even more benefits for you, such as the expert Slack community. And many of our product launches are first open to our certified experts. And we love showcasing and spotlighting our certified experts. And revenue share gets even better as a certified expert because now it's 20% for 2 years. So remember the hypothetical situation for year 1. Let's see what it looks like if you were to carry on into year 2. It grows quite a bit. So again, only adding 1 client a month for the second year, you now can have over $7,000 in recurring revenue. And we have some experts that are doing way more than that. So we've listened to our experts, and this past year, we changed the way we attribute revenue sharing to also include teams that you join. And there's a lot of money on the table, and I want you to take it. And you can see Rob Petito here, one of our experts, who most of you probably know from YouTube. He's already noticing an exponential increase from revenue sharing. So these are the main benefits of the Experts program. Now let's talk about some of the exclusive ways that you can grow. In addition to those benefits, we have the Experts Directory, we have exclusive promotion to Glide users, and also the agency plan. Now, the Experts Directory is where Glide users can directly hire experts to build their custom software. It's linked right on our main page, right under resources. So when you become Glide certified, you're eligible to create a profile in the directory, and you can be discovered through a search from other potential clients. We help connect Glide users who need help with experts. And this is an example of an email we've sent to some of our users who might need that extra help that we know our experts can give. And we recently announced this agency plan. This plan is built to empower your agency to unleash its full capabilities and maximize growth. It comes with all the features and functionality of business. So you always have access to the full power of Glide to build as many apps as you want so you can showcase clients and demo clients some of your creations. Exclusive to this plan, you gain the ability to start 30-day free trials with no credit card. And with this plan, any team you create, you will immediately be enrolled in revenue sharing for that team. So now with this plan in place, any team you join, you get revenue sharing, and any team you create, you also get revenue sharing. It's completely covered here. So let's talk about how you can enroll your agency today in this program. All you have to do is log into Glide. Under your profile, go to account settings, and then you just click on Join the Experts program. Once you click Join the Experts program, you will see a way to immediately view the hub, the Experts Hub. That button will turn into checking out the hub. So you can go there. You can use the contact in the hub to reach out and message me, and we can continue your journey. So if you haven't joined the program, you must join. Reach out to me on the hub. 2024 is going to be all for you. Let's do this. It's going to be exciting. So let me know. Reach out to me. I'm excited to see your journey. See you there.